crawling.
Oh, look at the dog's ears. He's dead.
No, he's not. He's sleeping. He's right there. Oh, wait, no, he's not sleeping. He's just resting.
What?
Oh, sweet. Like that camera? Luca. Luca.
Come on.
He's looking at Bella. Come here. Come here, see baby. Come on, camera. Say hi, subscribers.
Luca, Luca. Hey, Shiki.
Say hi, subscribers.
You're so cute. No.
Yes.
Oh. Playing. He's playing so good by himself in his room. Look at my big boy standing up. He said, I want a bite of that donut, sissy. Give him a little lick. Want some?
Yeah. Yeah. Nope. Look it.
Mmm, that's good.
He want more. I like the donut. I like chocolate.
Right. Alright guys, I have a few empties I wanted to share with you. The first one is this Schmidt's Coconut Pineapple Sensitive Skin Natural Deodorant. I really did like this one. I got this one at Marshall's, I believe. It was on sale for like $2, so I got that one there. And I love this deodorant brand, so I would repurchase this, and it smelled really good. This is a great one for summertime. Then I have this Hello Bello plant-based bubble bath. This is the lavender scent. I would repurchase this. You can get this at like Walmart, but it is made with organic aloe, jojoba, calendula, avocado, and cucumber extracts. And it is pH balanced, tear-free, mild, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, pH balanced, gluten-free, synthetic fragrance, no synthetic fragrances or dyes, no phthalates, parabens, or PEGs, or none of that bad stuff in there. So I would get this. Again, I use this for Luca and Reagan. The kids finished up these Ollie multivitamins and probiotics, and Reagan finished up this Fairy Tales Rosemary Repel Conditioner. This is like a lice prevention conditioner. When she was in that pre-K a while back, I got this for her because she did get lice when she was going to that private Christian school 3 days a week. So I got the shampoo and conditioner when that happened. So if you guys want me to do a video on how to treat and prevent lice, I would love that to do that for you, like around back to school time. So I'll probably include that, but I did like this shampoo and conditioner for that. So that is all my empties for today. I hope this was helpful.
Whoa, careful. You doing it one hand style? No, not on the ground. Don't put your hand on the ground.
Is that fun?
Him's holding on. Safety first. Oh yeah, look at that.
That is hilarious.
That's the dog, don't worry. He smells food. That's what he makes.
He is loving that. He's holding on so good. You are adorable, Luca.
He's trying to kiss you. Is it? I'm gonna kiss him on the head.
Aww. Alright, Wes got on this
The dog
STEM project.
We're gonna build a robot.
Does it clean houses?
The dog one, Daddy. We're gonna build a dog.
No.
We're gonna build a dog one, Daddy.
Cool. Alright, so I guess this is motor B1.
You can make any kinds. Which one do you want?
Any kinds, which
Wait,
ones
there's
you want,
even
huh?
there's a turtle in there.
Cool.
What's a turtle in there?
Alright, so
Why is there a turtle in there? That's weird. Is that a real turtle or a fake turtle?
this is how
Looks real.
No, that's
Oh my
fake.
gosh.
That's
That
a
looks
fake
extremely
turtle.
complicated.
Yep.
That's a fake turtle because it has.
I pressure washed the porch the other day and washed the covers to this. I need to move that tape, but got a nice little spot to hang out on the porch now. Inside. I brought Mona outside to get some fresh air and sunshine because she hasn't been eating, so I'm afraid she's sick. I think she needs some vitamin D, so yeah. Eating your nana? Eat some nana? Moss. Alright guys, it is Saturday. It's like the end of April? I think it's like April 27th or something like that. 25th. Today Wes is working on our storage building. We used to breed snakes several years ago. I should have vlogged it because it was actually pretty cool, but we had this whole storage building full of snake racks and snake display cages, and he bred geckos, ball pythons, we had carpet pythons, corn snakes, hognose, and a few others. He knows more about them than I do, but he's out there cleaning up that building because we only have 3 snakes now. We used to have like 60, but we only have 3 now that are upstairs, so we don't have any snakes in that storage building anymore, and we're gonna make a playhouse for the kids, so he's cleaning that out. So I'm excited to show you guys that once we get it cleaned out and start redecorating it and making it a playhouse for them. Here's my lunch. Superfood yogurt.
Some dollars.
So we've got some potatoes growing from this old potato we threw out. I need to move this plant, I think, and some more growing over there. Okay, in this garden we've got sunflowers and pumpkins growing, and the pumpkin seeds were actually from the decorative pumpkins I had on my porch this fall. So these are going to be like blue, green, and white pumpkins and maybe a few orange. So I'm excited to see. I spent like $75 on all those pumpkins to decorate my porch, so I'm excited to see how many of those I can grow this year and I won't have to buy them this fall. Here we've got our strawberries growing. I'm gonna put some diatomaceous earth on them because the ants always get them before they're ready for harvest each year, and the squirrels, so I need to put some kind of netting over them. Excuse me, ma'am.
No, you can't come in here. You didn't touch the gate first.
Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Over here we have onions and garlic. This is the garlic in this row. And then these are sweet onions, yellow onions, and red onions.
Fine. If you come in my garden, you don't get money.
Okay.
So if you come
Over here I have another potato pit that I need to put some soil in today. And I need to weed the garden bed again. I have another stack of tires over here. I want to make another potato pit because I have red potatoes and gold potatoes. Excuse me. So over here we have some asparagus that's gone to seed that I need to cut down. And then we have some new asparagus blooming here. But they're so little right now.
What are these?
These are some kind of flowers I planted years ago, but I forget what they're called. So if you know,
When I was a
comment
baby,
below.
grow these?
They're red. Yeah, I grew those when you were a baby in my belly, actually. Know what this plant is? Comment below and let me know, because it's so pretty, but I don't know what it is. Growing behind my garden in the woods.